Hello guys, welcome back to Study on Point. Today we are going to discuss the differences between a product-based company and a service-based company. So let's start. So first we see the IT companies are basically of two types. The first type is a product-based company and the second one are known as the service-based companies. So when we see the first point, a product-based company mainly offers a product to the users. For example, you see Microsoft, it offers Windows and MS Office and many other products they offer to the clients or users, you can say. On the other side, the service-based company just offers services to their clients. The clients can be other product-based companies or the users. Then we see the second point. So the product-based companies hire very less number of candidates. In case of service-based companies, they are hire in bulk. That is why they are known as the mass recruiting companies. Third point we see is that the product-based companies offer very good salaries. The salaries are very high. But in case of service-based companies, the salaries being offered are very less compared to the product-based companies. The fourth point is that competition in the product-based companies is tough. The process of selection is very high level. But in the service-based companies, the selection process is easier than the product-based companies. Then we go on to the next page. We will look at the next point. Fifth point. So the learning you get in the product-based companies is invaluable. It is very good learning you get in product-based companies. But in a service-based company, your learning depends on the kind of project that you get. So all of it depends on your luck. If you get a good project, then your learning will be good. We go on to the next point, which is sixth point. The flexibility in product-based companies is very good because you have very flexible work shifts. That means you just have to get the assigned work done. You can take any amount of time you want, but at the end of the day, you have to give the work that you have been given. But in a service-based company, the timings are very strict. Like you have to be in the office for a fixed number of hours. Like in most companies, you have to sit for 8 to 9 hours daily. The next point, the seventh point, the annual hike which is being provided in a product-based company is quite good. So on average, they offer 8 to 9% hike. But in a service-based company, the hike which they give annually to their employees is very poor. In most cases, you will find that the hike is merely 2 to 3% annually. So that is not good. So a question arises from many students that why the product-based companies offer you more salary than a service-based company. So we will like to give you an answer for this. So you see that in a product-based company, they have very huge revenue gained because of the products they sell, and the number of employees in these companies are also less compared to the service-based companies. So you can think by that the profit per employee that they're getting is high. So that's why the salaries are very high in the product-based companies. So at last we will say thank you, and please like and subscribe to our channel for getting further updates.